Once we have finished the registration and redemption processes of the license, it is time to log into our Microsoft account in the link we share below. Welcome to your Microsoft account. Here, you will find sections such as Information, Privacy, Security, Rewards, Payment and Billing, Services and Subscriptions, and Devices. To download your applications, go to the Services and Subscription section. In the option Purchase Products, you will find that your Office license or licenses are already linked to your account. Select the Office 2021 license you wish to use. You will see the Install button, and when you click on it, we will ask you to choose the language and version you require for your computer. Save your activation codes in a safe place, for they will be no longer displayed in the screen since the Office 2021 version. For example, list your keys in an Excel document indicating the name of the device on which it is installed and the email address that was used for its installation. By doing so, the download process will start on your computer, and upon completion, the installation process will begin. Once finished, it is important to log in. To do so, open an application of your Office suite. When you create a new document, you will see in the upper right corner of the screen the option Sign In. By clicking there, we will ask you to enter your email and password. That's it. Your session is already active. Now, if you wish to close it, for example, to disconnect you from OneDrive, just go to the File menu and select the Account section. There, you will see the button to log out. We'll just click and that's it. We can also do this from the top right corner of the screen where our account name is, by selecting Log Out. Once finished, you're ready to fully enjoy Office 2021.